The market is seriously volatile at the moment, and in today's video we need to go and cover some coins that we previously mentioned on the real world asset watch list, and now is not the time to be sitting on your hands doing nothing. My name is Lamar from the real world asset watch list, and in today's video we're going to go and find out what's a good price. Now, earlier today we actually did do a poll. Remember, if you're not following the real world asset watch list on X, you need to go and pause the video. You need to go and do that now, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Don't miss any content. We're getting into the real bull run right now. It's going to be volatile. We're going to be here to make sure you don't miss up anything on your journey to financial freedom. You can see here we had 4 tokens to choose from, and the RWA token, which is a very small cap coin, which is presenting a very lovely opportunity right now, was our winner. So we're going to go cover that at the end of the video. Make sure all of you are focused. Make sure you're all ready to stay till the end. Let's get into it. All right, guys, now we come to the top real world asset tokens by market cap. It's always good to have a look at coin market cap when you are trying to pick out some coins that you do want to buy. And you can see what's at an amazing discount. Now you can see here AVAX at $39 is the top coin by market cap in the RWA sector. It's a 24% discount this week. You come to charts like this, and sometimes we just need to just take a chill pill and zoom out, guys. What does this look like to you? If you were to look on a shorter time frame, you would say that is a massive cup and handle looking ready for an expansion phase. This is the AVAX weekly chart. Now, when we come to our trading view, it's important that we always take into consideration a few factors before we start aping in to these coins. Now, we covered this in the previous video. If you missed it, you can go back and watch it after this video. We were up here and we said that the 50 MA was going to be an amazing point of entry. We've actually come down to the 100 MA, and we're now in a time to buy zone. We've had a massive reversal wick in today's daily candle. You can see ETH went as low as 3.1k, just under 3.1k. And it's had a strong trend reversal here, guys. Now, this doesn't mean that this wick can't continue to come down over the coming days, leading up to Christmas, maybe into the new year as well. But guys, when we are going this low and these opportunities are presenting, you've got to make sure that you're taking advantage of this, guys, okay? Remember, nothing is financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest into any coins. But it is so important that you look at the market from an outside perspective. You don't put any of your bias into it, and you just act when it is time to act. Buying at the 100 MA, any altcoin, was an amazing discount today, and we're already seeing that we're having some trend reversals in the charts right now. Now, another thing that we need to keep an eye on is going to be the DXY. The DXY looks like it's got a 1618 breakout target to 109. Why is this happening? Well, the FOMC meeting didn't really go our way. Maybe there's only going to be one rate cut coming into 2025. But remember, these things can change. Right now, everyone is fleeing to the dollar. You can see the dollar is showing a lot more strength. Maybe this is some sort of fake out. Maybe we hit the 1618 target at 109 and then come back down. And you can see here, anything under 100 would lead to a massive crypto pump or altcoin pump in this scenario. But we come to our AVAX chart, which all of you guys were looking forward to. And look, we had our trend shift confirmation. This has been a chart that we've had for a very long time. You can see here, after our March highs, we've just been coming down, trying to form a base. We found a base at around $20. It was between $18 to $20. We had our break of $32, and then we've held it as support once, now potentially 2 times. And if we can hold this 32.90, maybe we even go a little bit lower to around $30, then that is going to be super bullish for the price of AVAX. Remember, AVAX doesn't only cover real world asset, but it also covers gaming as well. So you're hitting 2 niches in one. Where would we like to see AVAX go over the coming weeks, guys? Well, if we assume that this is our low and we're not going to go any lower, then we could expect some resistance again at the 0.5 fib, which is showing perfect support right here, guys, and then all the way up to the 0.618. So anywhere between $44 and $47 for AVAX. You can see here we're already starting to make our way up. But until we do start to break these 2 key levels, guys, there's not been a trend reversal. So if we want to mark up our chart, then what we can say is we need to break around this level here, for our trend shift confirmation, guys. So eyes on the prize is going to be a green zone right here. And then if we even want to mark it up, we can say to resume our uptrend. So AVAX not looking too bad at the moment. Again, showing some strength. We know that a lot of the large caps, a lot of the dino coins had a massive run up. Was that just a little look through the looking glass to say what could be coming for AVAX? And remember, the all-time high, guys, is all the way $146, guys. So we've got a very, very long way to be moving up for the price of AVAX. Finally, we come to ONDO. Trump's crypto project, World Liberty Finance, swaps 250k USDC for ONDO Finance. You're seeing a lot of these big players start to accumulate ONDO. Okay, you can see the buy that has happened right here, guys. The swap straight for USDC to ONDO. This was when ONDO was maybe around $2. Okay, so people are still accumulating ONDO at this price. And who was here in the last video? Because if you were here, then you would have played this perfectly. We said that we had the flag breakout target all the way to $2.17. What happened? We hit the breakout perfectly, and we actually even found resistance at the 1618. That is why I always give you the 1618 target, guys. It is a very powerful level. $2.03 was the 1618, and now we need to try and tackle that. That's going to be new resistance, guys. Remember, we are in price discovery for ONDO right now. But we have had some massive support from $1.49, which was the 1 fib. So it's looking really, really good for ONDO. We must take into consideration that we could be potentially forming some sort of head and shoulders pattern. And if that does start to form, then we can look for lower targets. Maybe our lower targets bring us back to around $1.13, which is going to be the 100-day moving average. Remember, these are going to be like worst case scenario targets, guys. So $1.80 right now. ONDO looks like it wants to go and tackle that $2 again. You're having big institutional adoption. You're having big players start to come in and buy ONDO already at higher average prices than today's prices. So you can imagine that with coins like this, these lower prices, even if we do come and test the 100 MA, guys, this could be eaten up very, very quickly. Now, another coin on the RWA watch list that we've covered many times on the channel before is going to be OPUL. OPUL is now back at our original buy entry, guys. You need to be making sure that you're finding coins that you've been accumulating and getting the average buy price down. You can see here earlier in the month we peaked at around 15 cents. We're now nearly a 15% discount off. When it does come to the 100 MA, it does look like temporarily we have lost 100 MA. However, when you do zoom out, we could be having some sort of reversal very, very soon, guys. We're still holding this lower trend line, so anywhere on this trend line is going to be a pickup zone, and we can even mark this up with a few green circles. And when we come back to the chart in the future, you can see that this will more than likely be an amazing area to be picking up the OPUL token. Having an initial rejection from the 0236 fib at around 8.3 cents, but then we've also got some layered resistance at around 9.5, 10.5 and 11.5 cents. We're going to need to recapture this level here for a trend shift in the charts, guys, but anywhere under here could be, in the long run, an amazing opportunity to be picking up the OPUL token. Remember, they're bringing real world assets through into the music industry, guys. Okay, so very, very different one here, and this niche could take off. Remember, artists are not getting paid what they should be. When more artists do start to transition over into the blockchain and they want people to be buying their music through cryptocurrency, this is going to be at the forefront of the music RWA niche. So eyes on the prize is going to be between 10.5 and 11.5 cents. Another coin which is a brand new coin on the RWA watch list, but one that we've covered many times before, one that you guys have been super bullish on in the polls, is going to be the Parcel token. Very similar to the OPUL token. You can see here we're starting to print higher lows in the chart. So as long as we continue to print higher lows in the chart, this intermediate volatility shouldn't be too concerning. We're still holding above the 100 EMA right now at 38 cents. It is a super big discount, guys, to the previous high. If we say the candle body close high is going to be around 92 cents, guys, we've got quite a way to be going up from where we are today. That's 142-ish% move, guys, and the wick brought us all the way to $3. So if we do say we're going to be filling this wick, and a lot of coins do fill the wick, hashtag fill the wick in the comment section right now, what is that going to be, guys? That's going to be a 688% move to the all-time high, and then it's going to be price discovery. And that's what we like to do as well. You need to position yourselves ahead of price discovery. Price discovery is usually like the last parts of a crypto's bull run. Yes, they can be super explosive, but why would you not try and get a 7x before price discovery? And then last but not least, we come to RWA Incorporated, world's first ecosystem utilizing the latest Web3 technology to launch fractional assets on the blockchain. Now, when we do scroll down, guys, you can see here on the 19th of December, so yesterday, depending when you are watching it, the 2025 roadmap is here. So we're going to go check that out. We're going to go look at what the chart is looking like. This one is looking absolutely fantastic. Then you guys can let us know in the comment section if you are buying. And if you've made it this far in the video, let us know in the comments. Now we come to the website, you can see that we've actually got 50 plus partners, 2 million raised, 20k sign up in a 16 trillion potential market. And you can see here some of the partners, guys: KuCoin, Mexi, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Gate.io, Uniswap, right? Really big, well-known partners here, backed by even more, guys. When we go and check out the 2025 roadmap, remember, 2025 is only 11 days away. It is crazy how fast the year has gone. Kicking off the full RWA ecosystem, they're going to begin development of RWA Layer 2 blockchain. It's going to be a Layer 2, guys, okay? So bear that in mind. They're going to aim to launch 5 RWA/Deepin project IDOs, which could expand their ecosystem even more. They're going to have expansion of tier 1 CEX listings, expansion of DEX listings on top of that, with massive marketing of the RWA ticker. And when we check out the chart, this is something completely new, guys, okay? So not too much data here. This goes all the way back to the 25th of November. But when you do get in on these coins really early, they can present amazing opportunities. You can see here, it looks like we're forming some sort of pennant, maybe with a flag breakout target. We're at 9 cents today, guys, with really a decision time coming by Christmas. If we take our flag all the way from the bottom and then maybe we do break out on Christmas, this could lead us all the way to a 25-cent coin, which is going to be a total move from the point of breakout of around 160%. So with these new coins, there's not too much data to go off in the charts. We're going to have to keep a close eye on this one and make sure that we do adjust our charts as it does start to progress. But initial looks, this looks like a very, very bullish chart, considering the entire market took a massive dump over the past couple of days, and this thing only went down, you know, a grand total of 26%, now at minus 20% from where it was, guys. It is not looking too bad at all. This chart looks pretty healthy to me, and we could be on the brink of a massive breakout if ETH does start to reverse, if we start to get some market strength back. Even if not, this could be one of the runners, one of the low cap runners that does start to outperform some of our other coins. That's it, guys. There's 3 tokens on the RWA watch list today that all of you need to keep your eyes on. You guys let me know in the comments right now, which is your favorite RWA ticker. If you made it this far, please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more RWA content. I've been Lamar from the Reward Asset Watch List. I'm going to see you in the next video.